Hello admins, I wanted to give you a quick video about the installation process for the Brightspace plugin. As you can see, I have two windows open here. The one on the left is my Brightspace environment. The one on the right is our installation guide. The reason why I'm doing this is because there are quite a few items where you will be copying and pasting, and so it's beneficial to have both open at the same time. Okay, so the first 10 pages of this is all the setup. It is fairly quick, just takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Essentially, you're going to first come in, go to the remote, or go into the gear cog. You're going to go into remote plugins, and you're going to go into new remote plugin right here, and then you're going to come in and you're going to paste all of this information into that new remote plugin. So the name. Make sure that you keep the course builder type, the URL. One thing, a mistake I have seen is make sure that when you copy it that you get this op equals active. Sometimes when you copy it does not like that. So copy, make sure that gets pasted in. From here you can scroll down, and the system test URL you can leave blank. You can also leave the descriptions blank. For the icon URL, use this icon right here. Essentially what that'll do is just make it so in the course builder you can see that a lot better. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is come back up to the gear cog, and you're going to go into the external learning tools, which is right, always a trick to find these. There it is. And you're going to go into manage tool providers. You're going to see the tool that was just created, and you're going to do edit tool provider. Essentially from here you're going to want to make sure that everything's filled out the same, right? The inherent global 1.1, this is the same. And then the big thing is you need to make sure that all of the security settings are checked. If these are all checked, then shouldn't be a problem. Also, either here or actually on the previous page, you could make sure that the org unit, when you add the org unit, you come in. I'm going to search TestOut here for org unit. Make sure that the org unit is selected to all descendants, essentially just saying that all those settings will trickle down to everything underneath them. So all descendants, insert that, and then you can save and close. From here you go back into the gear cog, and you're going to go to manage extensibility. From there you're going to go to OAuth 2.0, and you're going to do register an app. And this is where a lot of that copying and pasting comes in. You can name this whatever you like, but TestOut sync, and then again you're going to just copy and paste these. Be sure to again make sure that the OP equals OAuth is on the end of this URL when you paste that in. Copy and paste the scopes. Make sure that it looks exactly the same as you copy and paste those. And then from here, this is the life of the token, and then you can accept and register. Once you accept and register, it's going to pull up this screen automatically, which essentially you just come in and let's select one of these. You're going to see the client ID and secret, and you're going to come into. Once you have that, you're going to come to this URL here, which will look exactly like this. The consumer key and the consumer secret are sent from TestOut to you, and you copy and paste those in. The client ID and the client secret are these letters here. So if I click back on that one, here's the client ID, here's the client secret. Copy and paste those in exactly. Hit submit, and it'll say that it was done successfully. If you mistake, let us know. We'll actually have to clear something on our end, but that's the process. Once you've installed it, you should be good to go. That's the whole installation process. It would be wise to go in and watch some of our other videos about how to create links. Just make sure that it's working properly. Maybe go into your course builder and test that out a little bit. But that's the installation process. Good luck. Thanks, and bye.